Hi, this is Josh from MYOB. This video is going to be a quick overview of the Exo Payroll module in the MYOB Exo Employer Services suite of products. MYOB Exo Payroll is an all-in-one payroll management tool that helps you to process employees' pays by calculating accurate earnings, taxes and deductions for you automatically. It also lets you track labour costs, analyse trends and create detailed management reports. Before you can begin using Exo Payroll to manage pays, you'll need to set up the system for the needs of your organisation. The Exo Payroll setup cycle guides you through this process, introducing the setup screens for company details, pay items like allowances, deductions and non-cash benefits, records for analysis like departments and cost centres, and records for all of your employees. To aid in the initial setup process, functions are available for applying allowances and deductions to employees in bulk. When setting up employees, one of the things you can configure is their standard pay. Employees' default pay details are recorded in their standard pay. In each pay, these details are copied into the current pay, where they can be edited as necessary. Standard pays are set up for each employee on the Standard Pay tab of the Employee Maintenance window, which can be opened from the setup cycle or from the main menus at any time. Here you can specify their default wages or salary, allowances, deductions and all other aspects of their pay, including PAYG and superannuation contributions. The process of running a pay in Exo Payroll is laid out for you in the pay cycle. Before starting a pay, you may need to add any new employees or update the details of existing ones. That done, you're ready to open a new current pay. You can have one current pay open for each pay frequency. Once you open the pay for a frequency, you can then edit the details for each employee of that frequency. As I mentioned before, each employee's default pay details are copied over from their standard pay. In the current pay, you can make any changes to the details that apply to that pay, which can include entering the details of any leave they're taking in that pay. Once you've entered all of the information for the pay, you can generate reports on the pay, including employee payslips that can be printed out or emailed to each employee. We'll look at reports in more detail shortly. If you're paying some of all of your employees by direct credit, you can generate files for electronic money transfer. The system supports all major bank formats. Once everything is done, you can update the pay. This closes off the pay so that it can no longer be edited. The next time you open a current pay, it will create a brand new pay for the next pay cycle. Finally, let's take a closer look at the reporting options in Exo Payroll. Exo Payroll has a library of summary and detailed reports that give you information on all areas of the system. You can report on employees' details and pay histories, print reports for specific pays, generate financial analysis reports, report on employee leave balances, produce lists of the records you've set up in Exo Payroll, and generate payroll tax reports and PAYG payment summaries for submitting to the ATO. You can also set up report runs to run batches of reports at regular intervals, and Exo Payroll supports custom reports created using Clarity reports. Returning to the Pay tab, we can see the payslips that can be generated and sent to employees after each pay. As well as the basic payslips, you can also enable and set up a customizable payslip. This payslip can include a company logo and can be tailored to include only the information your employees need in whatever format you choose. That concludes our overview of the MYOB Exo Payroll product. Thanks for watching.